Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You don't need perfect tools, you need a habit. Start by opening your notebook, writing the date, and stating one clear goal for this session. Once done, create a simple index entry or color tag so you can find this page later. Make a 2-minute ritual. Write one line summarizing the day, then close the book. This small action builds momentum. It's why you'll actually use the notebook versus letting it collect dust. You should structure pages so capture is effortless. Create consistent sections for notes, tasks, ideas, and keep a one-page monthly index up front. When writing, capture raw thoughts quickly and mark entries with simple symbols. Star for ideas, exclamation for tasks, question for follow-up. Once done, review weekly. Migrate unfinished tasks to a new list, condense long notes into a single paragraph, and you must close loops so the notebook remains current. At week's end, mark open items closed or assign a deadline, then add a brief closing note summarizing progress. If the book feels cluttered, archive older filled pages and create a someday list for lower priority items. This separates active work from archive. If you lose momentum, reset with a 3-day minute challenge, 1 line per day. That quick win restores the habit and prevents the common pitfall of abandonment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.